Jackson and Martha are starting to think that Ngoga used them. The ritual didn't work. They'll be stuck in Queen for the rest of their lives. And Ngoga has sent a big snake to Stan, so it's not just voices anymore. Petunia walks in on a cozy moment between Usakile and his PA and sets the record straight with the PA, telling her to stay away from her man. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. Martha has had enough. Ubona kahle ukuthi yazi we fooled Jackson. Ngoga played us. The ritual didn't work. He used us for umntanethu. Now our baby's gone, and for his own benefit. Now he's gone, he's not coming back. And this whole thing, like yimbi man. Then they get a knock. They think ukuthi Ngoga kanti usisi wakhe uzomchecker uphilile. Pilil was so worried about Martha because Martha is not okay. And Martha did a C-section ekhaya without any pain medication or anesthetic. Ibambe nje head on. Now Upilile can see ukuthi you're not fine, Muswana. Why don't you come and stay with me for a few days until ube right? Jackson is like, hi man, I just that behlushwa so she had a stomach bug in the past few days, so uzoba right. She brought them food, shaman, some toiletries. And then she says, you can just see Martha is struggling to cope. You can just see the way this place is. Anghambe naye man. Jackson was like, ahambe wena la before kuba later ko safe la. Wamxosha ke uJackson. Ngapha uStan is busy hearing voices telling him to leave emnyameni. The next thing, the windows are broken. Like, he does not know what's going on. He thinks it's a prank, pulls out his gun, but nothing's happening. The next thing at night, he goes to bed, and to his surprise, there's a humongous snake on his bed, a big black snake on his bed. He goes to get his gun to wanting to shoot the snake. The snake disappears. Now he's wondering what's going on. Akase brave uStan. He went for his gun instead of running away. Manje Petunia is busy meeting up with this lady, Rosemary, and Rosemary is giving her ideas. Men cheat with their PAs, so you must not trust this girl, this PA guy Sakile. And then Petunia decides to bring Sakile lunch and walks into a cozy moment between Sakile and PA because they were so close looking at some papers. Wabona nje uPetunia ukuthi hayi maybe uRosemary is right, yes. Only to find that Sakile has already eaten ne-PA yakhe and says okay, yazi ngiyaxolisa ukuniphazamisa. They say no, we're done already. Thinking that she's going to spend some time with Sakile. Sakile has to leave for a meeting again. Auntie, no, can I sit here and eat again? Auntie Sakile, make yourself at home. She stays behind. Kanti she wants to give uPA a piece of her mind. She called her to order, saying you are busy la, flashing your non-existent cleavage endodeni yami, because uPA now does not have big boobs like her. As you busy flashing your non-existent cleavage yakhe ngekho kumyeni wami, and ngiyabona lento ofuna uyenza. You think you can steal my man from me? And you must stop calling him Sakile. He's your boss. Call him Mr. Mayor Buthelezi. Buze ngomnumzane le nto yakho nje oyenza ayikho else ngizogorobha ngawuphansi, and don't ever buy me gifts again. If he sends you, say no. Untombazana athuke athi wathi yeah, but how you clear athi yebo ngiyezwa. Sakile comes home and ufanyana wants in on the opportunity internship, and then he leaves. Now Sakile wants to know what did you do to Ulondi, because Ulondi now I found her crying. I tell her Ulondi, I just spoke to her. Just spoke to her to stay away from my man, because I can see the way she's doing busy kufunza ngecleavage. I guess Petunia did not even hide it. Ulondi is busy feeding you cleavage yake, because the way Ulondi was so close to Sakile, it was just questionable. Now, as a married man like that, why was she so close to him? And Sakile is like, please don't do that. Mina ngiyakuthanda and I'd never do that to you. You think I would cheat on you, no Londi. Don't ever think like that. The next thing, Petunia feels some cramps. I think Petunia is indeed pregnant. She needs to go get that pregnancy test. Akazojabula kangaka uSakile, knowing that they're expecting a baby. Now uTiny no Tim, the friends made Tim feel very cheap, saying that how can he buy fake flowers or plastic flowers for Tiny. Ngapha uTimmy is worried because Tiny wants him to wait 90 days before they can be intimate, and says it's like it's so long. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.